So if I run the script for multiple point clouds, the same tool, execute, same level. So if I hide the point clouds for walls, I will see that soft will generate for me multiple rectangles. When the point cloud is filtered by walls, there is another option to extract all of these walls, place doors and openings. So for the another option, you can use these walls construction tools. So if you run it, you will find that here you have multiple options for working with walls, like create walls, extend wall, connect wall, merge wall, and add 2D elements like doors and openings. Before running this option, you can select the point clouds which you're going to use for wall extraction, and script assuming that you will specify 2 point clouds related to single wall, one from external side of the wall and one for internal side of the wall. So if you select these 2 point clouds, one for internal part of the wall, one for external part of the wall, and run this script, walls construction tools, create walls from point clouds, soft will ask you on which level you want to create this object. So you can just click a point to specify the level, or you can select the level from the levels group. So I have 2 levels there, floor and ceiling, so I will select floor level. And I will see that soft will generate for me the rectangle with the line representing the main axis for this wall. I can select multiple point clouds and run the same tool. So for example, I can select this pair of clouds, this. In general, software need any pair of clouds. So if I run the script for multiple point clouds, the same tool, execute, same level. So if I hide the point clouds for walls, I will see that soft will generate for me multiple rectangles. If I have point cloud representing only one side of the wall, like here, I can run the same tool, wall construction tools, create walls from point cloud, use levels, okay, and then the script will ask me to select the point cloud for such operation. So I can click, for example, this point cloud, and here I can specify thickness of the wall, and then click OK. Then script asking on which side from this plane we should generate the object. So in my case, it should be on the left side here. And I will see that soft will generate for me here rectangle representing this wall. So I can continue, I can click to the next point cloud, specify thickness again, and specify the position on which side I need to put these geometry elements. When the main wall is extracted, you can hide the point clouds and continue to work only with these rectangle elements. So if you run the script, wall construction tools, here you will find that there is option to extend wall to point, generate a connection between walls, or merge walls. So I will run the same script and I will select connect walls L connection. Okay. So now you need to select these 2 elements which you want to extend to each other, and then if you want you can change the elevation for these 2 elements, but I will use the same level which I used before, and then accept. Then you can continue, select these 2 elements, same option, then click OK. Sometimes you can see the 2 elements will be extended like this. In that case, you can use another option, extend wall to point. So for example, I will select that I want to extend this wall, and then I can select to which point I want to extend it. For example, I want to extend it to this point. Same here, for example, I can select this wall and then select which point I want to extend. And if you want to merge multiple elements that representing single wall, like here I have 4 rectangles related to the same wall, you can use merge tool. So just run the same script, wall construction tools, select merge walls, and then you need to select these rectangles which you would like to merge. They will be highlighted, and if you click enter, Soft will ask you what you want to do with these rectangles. Just select finish merge, and then it will ask you on which level you want to generate the new element, so the same level, then OK. So these elements will be merged.